Hello everyone, my name is David and today I will show you how to download CapCut on Android and iPhone also. So if you're using an iPhone, you have to reach App Store. Either if you're using an Android, you will have to reach Google Play Store. And right inside App Store, we will have to search in the search bar for CapCut. And should be the second application which you see, which is this one. I will press on get and I will have to, Face ID that so it can be verified, and I will leave on the screen right here how you can do the same thing on Android while I have to wait for the app to be downloaded and installed. Well, I will recommend CapCut because it's a free video software editing that you can put either on a computer, a laptop, on your mobile, either if that's an iPhone or an Android. So let's wait. It's the app is almost installed and we can use it immediately. Meanwhile, I want to create a video so I can try to edit that. So I'm on a video right now. I want to make sure it's on HD and 60 frames per second. Let's try to do, I don't know, something like that. Okay, and it's here. I think I waited exactly a minute for the app to be installed, and right now we are inside CapCut. Let's press on new project. This is the video that I created earlier. I will press on add and let's see how can we edit this on our smartphone. If I want to cut the first part, I will have to drag it, and if I want to expand that back, it's easily. Or if you want to cut the part from the toe, not from the head, you can do the same thing. I can add a transition at the end. Let's go with I don't know, this one. Yeah, why not? Press on confirm and let's try to add a text at the first part of the video. Enter the text. Test will be. We can make it bigger or smaller. We can rotate it. Let's put it right here. Basically, yeah, it's easier to do that on your smartphone, but CapCut is, I mean, you have tutorials right inside. As you saw, it tried to help me. Let's see if I want to split this one is possible, and if I want to add a transition, it will let me. Okay, I will add this one. Good. And can I add a filter by any chance? I saw. Okay, let's add this one. Okay, and we can intensify the filter, and let's see what we just created. This is the video. Come on, play it. The text that we just added, the transition, the filter, the split, and the end transition at the end. So it was very intuitive, and to be honest, this was the first time that I use CapCut. I usually edit my videos on the computer with Camtasia Studio 10. I really hope I was helpful with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a question if you have any questions down below in the comment section. Please have a great day.